Welcome to Fisher Maths, trigonometric ratio integration. So solving this problem, the ratio, we're going to be using let u equals to 2x minus 1. And differentiating this, we're going to have du over dx equals to just 2, because if I have y equals to x raised to power a, I'm going to have it to be, I'm going to multiply the power with the coefficient of x, which will give me 1a, x raised to power a minus 1. So then I'm going to have it to be reversing this value using the change of subject formula. I'm going to have it to be dx equals to du over 2. Using that, we're going to substitute this value into the question itself. So we now have it to be that is integral sine 2x minus 1 dx. We're going to have it to be integral the x there, we have du over 2 times sine 2x minus 1. So here is going to give me 1 over 2. I'm taking this one outside the integral value. I'm going to have it to be integral sine 2. Now I'm going to replace this. Well, I already replaced that, so I'm going to put u there. Let me have u there. I'll have times du. And that means that this is also supposed to be u, but still the same. They are just the same. So here at this point, I'm going to have it to be the integration of du will give me minus cos u, so I will have it to be minus cos u. So I have minus cos u or minus cos u plus c. So at this point, I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 cos u plus c, which will give me minus 1 over 2 cos, replace u with this value, so I'm going to have 2x minus 1 plus c. So this is the solution of the value of integration of sine 2x minus 1 dx. I hope this is clear. Thank you for listening.